What up was cracking, lacking, booty smacking, titty sagging, dog. You guys already know what it is. I'm right here. I'm about to unbox my taillights. Yeah, dog. Even though I still got a lot of boxes to unbox. Pero, you know. Ooh. No, that's beauty. Man, let's get turned on. Yeah, so I got these OG look, cause you know I ain't fancy. I like the original look though. I have a 99. This comes from a 03 to the 05 or 06. I don't even know, but yeah, I like these. I like the way they look though. Simple and clean. Beautiful. Yeah, I got the pair, and then I got the license plates. These are the ones I bought, I ordered. So the LEDs with the little red marks right here. I ordered some for my pops and my brother. That should look nice though when it's on there. I'll probably be installing this, the taillights. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I probably will. And then, oh shit, I ain't gonna take that shit out. And then I got some headlights as well. Ooh, alright. And shit. Give me a momento. Oh, they're tint. Well, it don't matter. So I got, these are the fog lights. Ooh, yes sir. I won't be installing those. Nope, not today. Still missing my. Oh yeah, they are. Oh yeah, the LEDs. So got to, you know, you gotta go bright. Go big or go home, you know. Both of them. No, they do not come with LEDs. You have to order them yourself. Well, separate yourself, bro. Well, of course you gotta order yourself, dog. Yeah, my truck doesn't come with the fog lights, so they won't come with the button, the harness. I had to get that separate. Yes, I do have the harness. There's a harness for it. Came with the fuse, the relay, and the button. But I'm really picky and I have OCD. So this got to go. No red. Okay. Came with the fuse. Little butt connectors. That's right. But no, I won't be installing this. This is gonna be another video. Another separate video. And I ordered these. The LED headlights. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Hold on, I'm turning the light for it. Look at that. Nice box. I don't want to rip it, you know. I don't want to fuck it up, dog. Yeah, alright. That's just, it's coming along little by little, but I haven't put these stuff in there yet. You know, it's Friday. Cuerpo lo sabe. Ooh. Yeah, so that button I was talking about, this one, yeah, kind of don't like it. So, like these little simple with the blue. Yes, my truck is blue. Yes, it is. So, and it's pretty simple. Literally just same shit. So when you switch them out, it's not that hard. And yeah, so we're gonna be installing these. I'm gonna show you guys the before and after. But no, these are not LEDs. Still have to order them. I had a truck that I had. Well, I had and still have, but it's parked in the same place. It's parked in a safe place. Cause I got jacked, homie. Motherfucker jacked my truck. Cause fuck you, whoever stole that shit and took my shit. Fucking broke fools. But yeah, that's cool. It's alright though. You know, you come back hard. Pero, you know. Someone's walking by. I live in an apartment, but I'm gonna still install this even though they tell me, hey, you can't do no mechanic shit up in here. Oh, me mierda, wey. But yeah, no. Let's get this shit started with. Probably take some flicks, you know. The before and after. What is this for? Yup. And put everything back together, you know. Put everything back. Cause and you guys are wondering, why are you wearing glasses inside your pad, dog? Que hay mucho sol acá. Mucho sol, look at that. I can't see, dog. What's on, fool? Oh, I look like I'm in a rap video. Dog. What's on? What's crack-a-lacking, booty smacking, titty shagging? The lighting is on. Oh, my good side. Stop with the fucking around. Let's get these babies on. Alright, let's go. Orderly, so this is my taillights. Fucking broken, but it's alright. Yeah, I got a different color tailgate, but it's alright. You gotta move it up. So I can put the tailgate down and put it down for a second, cuz deuces. You know what? I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, bitch was low. Show you guys what's so down. Yeah, she's looking. But it'll do for now. Yeah, I leave my bag, my tool bag inside here, and in my toolbox, in the trunk. There's a lot of shit, bro. Oh, hell yeah. So, shout out to Dylan for leaving this shit to me. I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. Man, don't. Oh, no, put it right here, bro. joking too much, fool. Oh shit. I don't want to dirty my gray tee, bro. I don't want to take off my shirt because I got a what they say what they tell you, a white beater. Totally right. Check it out, dog. Check it out. Right here. Oh shit, can't see shit. So yeah, I'm gonna connect those. And there you go. Just got 2-inch drop from the rear only. No biggie. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right now and spiders, eh? What's the mother? Ah, shit. Come on. Oh, shit. Someone's stuck in Sherwood. Salte, güey. Yes, it is a plug and play. That's pretty much it. Bring the other one. Should I clean it out? Fuck it. And then you feed this and down to the rabbit hole. Andale, andale. There you go, papas. There you go. Okay, okay. Oh, shit, bro. Ya tú sabes, compañero, tú sabes. Oh, you. Look at the difference. Big booty hole. Fuck you. Fucking beautiful, man. A la otra. On the quickness, dog. Fucking quickness. Damn, that shit looks hard, dog. But they ain't that bright, but I'm gonna switch them out to LEDs. But yeah, yeah, shit, ugly, bro. Fucking ugly. I don't think I'm gonna put them on. Fucking trash right there. A little putazo right here, but it's alright. A little update. A little my steering wheel. My cluster. And then my gauge. Yeah, it's coming along little by little, but it's alright. My little sound system right here, my little 12. And here my amp. Yeah, I did everything myself, could. Yeah, why don't I have one? Because my shit was broken, so I fucking snapped it off. Yeah. Nah. We got my LEDs. These ain't that bright. These are little chafa ones, but this one got the door ones under here too, but they ain't that bright, so I gotta switch them out. I gotta switch out the lights for the cluster as well. Well, it's alright though. Chiquitita. Yeah, shit, I gotta get it tuned. I gotta get it tuned. Right now it's on the street tune, but it's alright though. It's alright. Turn this bitch on, it's in reverse. Fucking hit this fool and shit. Yeah, I got my transfer case right here. The oil. That's alright though. Oh my. Shit, who the fuck's calling you, fool?
That's somebody called in. He's a big baller.
Oh, my pops. Yole. Yeah, but this is the end of the video. If you guys liked it, shit, hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys don't, fuck it, dog. Deuces.